Hello everyone, I am Hassan. Today I am doing a quick walkthrough of AI Agency OS version 1, a centralized workspace I built to eliminate hours of manual work. Instead of juggling on ChatGPT tabs, Google Docs, search tools, and email drafts, this application uses specialized AI agents to automate market research, competitor analysis, campaign strategies, and outreach all in one place. So let's take a look at this. First up, we have Dashboard. Dashboard displays information from throughout the app. First up, we have today's market brief, which is essentially just news coming from our market intelligence agent. Next up, we have Quick Actions. Quick Actions are buttons which will take you to that particular agent. Then we have Recent Activity. It shows which agents you have used recently, and AI usage is how many times you have used that particular agent. Next up, we have Content Studio. Content Studio has two fields: website URL or business description, and a campaign goal. Website URL or business description. If your client has a website URL, you can paste their website here, and if they don't have a website, you can describe their business and specify a campaign goal. For example, I am using Notion. Here I'm typing their URL and specifying a goal, that is lead generation, and you can select all the target platforms that you want to generate posts for. Then we click generate campaign. Here it goes. And in just a couple of minutes, we have a campaign strategy, we have a copyright section which contains marketing copy and email copy, and then we have social media posts which you can use to post on social medias, and we have call to action buttons, assets. Next up, we have research. In research, we have two fields. First is research topic. This research topic field is used when you generally want to search about just some topic, and the website URL is when you want to search about a specific website, or let's say you want to outreach to a client, to a prospect. You can put their website's URL here, and you can select the search depth and generate a research about them. But for now, I'm using a general research topic. For example, I am taking impact of AI agents on marketing agencies. We don't have a website URL, so you can leave it as it is. And we have search depth. We can select deep dive. You can select as per your need. And we have this button. We can click, and here it goes. Now with just a little bit of wait, we have this entire research here. The impact of AI agents on marketing agencies. First, it gives you an executive summary, and then a strategic overview, then the conclusion, and all the data sources that it processed. Then we have here findings section. It gives you key findings, and then we have recommendations, like for agencies what they should do. Then we have, next up, we have marketing agent. Marketing intelligence is an agent which fetches news from internet, and it takes that information, it processes it, and analyzes market trends. What trends are going on in market and what opportunities are there for agencies. Next up, we have outreach. Outreach has two parameters, two fields. First up, we have company website, where you can specify the prospect's website URL, and you can specify the services that you offer. For example, again, I'm taking Notion because it's my favorite, and Notion.so, and I offer AI automation, and we can specify the outreach tone. I'm selecting direct, right? And then we click generate outreach. It starts the agent right now. Now in a matter of minutes we have company summary, and then we have pain points, then we have outreach sequence. In version 1 I only have outreach for emails. You can click here copy all, and you can copy the entire outreach. In the upcoming versions I will be adding much more than just emails, and there will be many more features than there are currently. Next up we have competitor analysis. Competitor analysis, here you have a field where you can insert the target company's website. For example, I am taking ClickUp. Alright, and then we click analyze competitor. You can insert your competitor's website and click the button and just wait for a couple of seconds. It will give you the entire competitor analysis. A little bit of wait. We have the analysis of ClickUp. It has companies snapshot, which is essentially just the entire information about that particular company. Primary audience, you can check it here. What is the marketing position they hold, and what is their core differentiator. The overview. Then you can have here strengths, the strengths that they have. Then we have weaknesses, and we have opportunities. Then we have recommended strategies. What should I do to compete against this company? Obviously you will have a much more sane competitor, not ClickUp, right? Alright, so this is it for version 1. I am currently working on version 2. If you like this, if you want to follow the build journey, you can subscribe and like to this video. Thank you.